Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solid to take your decision. Your work will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a weekly chart of natural gas futures. So friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures tested a peak at the $8.064 during the last week, and here you can see that how we have seen a sharp fall in natural gas prices when the natural gas futures tested a low at the levels of $6.438 and closed the week at the levels of $6.534. So friends, here I find that still the natural gas futures have closed this week well above the important support level. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a gap up opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week, we'll see this uptrend to continue, where the immediate target for the natural gas bulls will be the levels of $7.148, and here a system move well above this level will continue to keep this uptrend intact above the levels of 7.394. And here I find that if the natural gas futures find a system move well above the levels of 7.4, we'll see this uptrend to continue well above the levels of 8. So friends, here I find that during the upcoming week, the overall trend could remain extremely volatile, where the natural gas futures will have to defend an immediate support at the levels of 6.433. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures sustain well inside this uptrend zone, we'll find the natural gas futures could retest this level once again during the upcoming week. But here I find that a strong reversal can be seen during the upcoming week, where the natural gas futures could try to sustain well above the levels of 6.873. We'll see a breakout here. So friends, here on the low side, I find if the natural gas futures find a breakdown during the upcoming week well below the levels of 6.433, we'll see this downward trend to continue, where the next support will be seen at the levels of 6.316. From here, I find that the natural gas futures could take a sharp reversal back up to the levels of 6.950 on the first trading session of the upcoming week. So friends, here you can see that we have seen the formation of a bullish crossover here in the weekly time frame, which confirms the continuity of upward moves during the upcoming week. No doubt the volatility could be on the higher side, but here I find that every downward move well above the levels of 6.433 will provide a good opportunity to go long, because here I find that the natural gas futures have formed a good base here at the levels of 6.433, from where we can see a sharp bouncing move once again during the upcoming week. Friends, now let's check this move in the daily time frame. So here in the daily time frame, here I find that the natural gas futures have seen a sharp fall after testing a high at the levels of $8.064, and from here a downward trend started. But here you can see that how we have seen a sharp bounce back on April 21st, when the natural gas futures tried to find a breakout well above the 9 days moving average but could not sustain here, and this downward trend continued up to the level of 6.459. So friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures behaved on Friday. The natural gas futures tested a high at the levels of 7.080 and a low at the levels of 6.438, and finally closed the week at the levels of 6.534. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a gap up opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week well above the levels of 6.790, we'll see this uptrend to continue, where the immediate resistance will be at the 9 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of 7.156, where a breakout well above the 9 days moving average will keep this uptrend intact. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a system move well above the levels of 7.407, During the upcoming week, we'll see this uptrend to continue where the next target for the bulls could be at the level of the 8.064, where a breakout will keep this uptrend intact up to the levels of the 8.532. So friends, here in the daily time frame, I find that the 26 days moving average will continue to provide massive support for the natural gas bulls, which is currently at the levels of 6.378. And here I find that the natural gas futures could find a strong bouncing move from the levels of $6.306. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a downward move well up to the levels of 6.315, we'll see a sharp bouncing move where 9 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of 7.156, and here I find that a sustainable move well above the levels of 7.2 will keep this uptrend intact, because here you can see that how we have seen a sharp uptrend after the formation of this bullish crossover in the daily time frame. So friends, here in the daily time frame, here you can see that how the natural gas futures are trying to sustain inside the upper channel of this uptrend. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures maintain this uptrend inside this upper channel of this uptrend, we'll see a breakout here during the upcoming week well above the levels of $7.2 that will keep this uptrend intact. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.